very, very special Mailbox Minute today. Guys, I've got a very, very special Mailbox Minute. Today we're actually going to do a review, and I am so excited. I think I saw this demoed on another site, maybe Kathleen's from Dirty Beauty Soaps. I'm not really sure, but I went to Etsy and I looked everywhere to see if I could find this type of tool. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm pretty sure where it's from because it's coming from the UK, and I believe the manufacturer's name is Victor. But it's a beveling tool, a very, very interesting beveling tool. All right, and this is the name of the company. You can see that. It's at Stamps4You.com. .co.uk. So it came really, really quickly. I'll put that where you can see it. Bring my Levinsky doll. So you can see your little face. Isn't she cute? These are such old cups. But this is my first time using it, obviously. It's a deep kind of bevel, and it's got a couple of different tips. Now I'm just going to cut into this. I'll bring you right back. Maybe I can do it myself. It's kind of tricky with gloves on. I'll bring you right back. All right, so I've got two different kinds of soap here. This is my honey beeswax, and it's completely unscented, and this is my lavender, and I actually did a water discount on this one. They're actually the same age old, but this one's softer because I didn't use a water discount, and this one I did. So we're going to see the difference of softer versus harder soap. So they have a Facebook group called Soap Stamps for You with a 4. So, yeah. So they must have some stamps too. I'll have to look that up. So as far as I understand, you line up your soap. Okay, let's see if I can figure this out on my own. Let's see. I want to do it straight. I don't want to mess it up. Now, each of these has a different tip. Or maybe I'm doing this wrong. Ah, this is better. This is easier. So we're just going to take it off like that. Turn. Oh, this is awesome. So this is the pointy tip. We're going to try all of these, and I can just rebatch this later. Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. Look at that perfect bevel. Just make sure you got it on straight. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. That is so easy to use. I am totally impressed. Now we're going to try the other edges as well. Oh my goodness, that is just too cool. I just took this, rather plain looking bar of soap and made it look amazing in just a few seconds. I'm just going to get a little bowl for my scraps. I always have lots of those handy. I don't know if you guys do. But I don't waste anything in my soapy kitchen. So we're going to try that again. Now this isn't even cut straight. This is just an end piece. But we're going to try the second one here. Hope you can see that. So this is the one we did first, which is just the pointed edge. All right. Now we're going to use the one with the two little guys. And we'll see what that looks like. Now, this is not going to be perfect because my bar of soap is not straight. So I just used that one, so we're going to try this one. Oh my goodness, look at that. I could do all of my soap like this. These are gorgeous. What an ingenious little tool. I wish I had this a long time ago. This is so amazing. I just can't get over how perfect these edges are with my imperfect little bars of soap. So if you're looking for something to help make your soap look a little more professional, I suggest you get this little tool. That is just neat. Look at those edges. That is so cool. Now I'm guessing you can go all the way around if you want to. Oh yeah, that looks great. Just make sure you get it even. Make sure you use the right tip. Now I'm not going to do the top. But look at that. Look at that. How cool is that? That is just amazing. Now this is a very, very soft soap, so I've smushed it a little, but that's not from the tool. All right, let's try the last one. This one is a harder bar of soap. We'll see how it does with harder, more brittle bars. So the last tip is this one, and it's like a flat. And we're going to see. Oh, actually, I think I like using the harder bar. It's a little easier. Oops. A little easier to use. Make sure we got the right tip. Get that. Oh my goodness. Now you do have to get your corners in there, right? That is easy to hold on to. But that's really cool because, you know, you get three different tools. I'm going to do the ends of this one. I'm going to do this one all the way around and see how it looks. Now keep in mind this is not a straight bar of soap. Like it's not cut, the edges aren't cut straight. So if you have it straight cut, it's going to look better than mine. This is just a little sample. Make sure I use the right one. Oops, just a little wobbly there. There we go. See, I moved it, and so I got it crooked. Well, I like that side. So let's say I did it perfect. It was a little wobbly on the other side, so I didn't get it completely perfect. But it looks so cool, guys. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, check that out. This is so much fun. I am so impressed. This is just too fun. So you get three different edges. Let's see which, I think I like this one the best. Check that out. I can just do little individual hand soaps with this one if I want to, or it can be a nice chubby bar for the hand. That's awesome way to use my leftovers. I can make them pretty. Make them pretty. This one I had trouble with. New soap, definitely you get straighter edges because it's easier to hold on to it. Excuse me. So very cool tool. Very cool tool. Highly recommend it. Here's where you get it. Just go on to Etsy and or go on to Facebook, and it's Soap Stamps4You. All right. We'll see you next time, guys. If you enjoyed this, click like and subscribe. I'll have a link in the description box below on where you can get these. And I will definitely be getting the other tool. This is the deep tool, and there is a shallow tool as well. So if you don't want to take off as much soap, then they do have another tool with different beveled edges, which is so cool. And I'm so, so excited about this. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.